everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new in here, my name is Shahzaib and I am the CEO of Codesquad LLC. At Codesquad, we specialize in developing AI-driven solutions and custom softwares for our clients. And today we are going to discuss about a topic that is really revolutionizing healthcare, and that is called remote patient monitoring. So, whether you are a healthcare professional, a tech enthusiast, or someone who is just curious about where healthcare is headed, this video will help you understand what remote patient monitoring really is, how it works, and how actually it's reshaping the healthcare landscape. Stick around because we are going to explore how this technology can improve patient outcomes, enhance the role of AI in healthcare, and look at the exciting future ahead for this technology. So, without wasting any more time, let's start with it. So, the first thing is, what is remote patient monitoring? Basically, this is the first thing that I would like to go deeply into. So, RPM is basically a healthcare technology that allows doctors and medical teams to monitor patients' health data remotely from their offices, from their homes, from anywhere that is not a hospital, right? So, it gives flexibility to both doctors as well as patients. There are a number of devices that are involved whenever we are talking about developing a remote patient monitoring system, right? So devices such as Dexcom and glucose monitoring systems, blood pressure cuffs, or heart monitors, right? All of these devices are used as endpoints for remote patient monitoring, and they help in collecting all of the vital data that is required for this specific technology. And this data is then sent to the healthcare providers, and they can just keep an eye on it and later schedule a visit with the patient if or when it is required. It also gives access to the doctors, right? And it makes sure that doctors can actually remotely see what is wrong with the patient and how we can assess it better. So, considering that, it can help develop a real-time monitoring system that involves both patients and the doctor, and this dynamic can really help in the healthcare industry nowadays. So now let's discuss why is it different than before, right? So one of the most important reason is actually there is no hospital readmission required and no emergency room visits and all of these things, right? So when you have all of these sensors available, and even if you are doing this weekly, right, in that scenario what happens is you do not have to go to hospital for your physical checkups, for example with respect to heart rate, right? So if you have a good heart monitoring device, then you do not have to go visit your local doctor, right? So in the other sense, there is also an AI perspective of this as well, in which we are developing multiple AI based applications that use this data. So how they use it is that they bring in the data, and then that data is fed into the AI systems, and insights are developed, and based on those insights and you can tell the patient whether something is going good or going bad, or what can be the forecasting of next year or next 6 months or something like that, right? So at Codesquad LLC, we basically integrate multiple AI and technology based solutions into daily lives, and we also develop remote patient monitoring systems with the help of multiple devices, and whenever the data comes, we also do analysis of it with the help of AI, and it helps us detect trends, patterns, and make even more accurate predictions of when the failure of patient's health will come. So it helps us regulate things in advance. So one more thing that is very much important for RPMS is the security and data privacy. Of course, everyone knows that data is very much important, and if the data is related to patients, the importance even increases, right? So there are a lot of platforms that are related to it. For example, HIPAA compliance and all of these, right? So what we do is we make sure that the technology developed is compliant with all of those things, so that in the later future we do not have any issues at all, right? So this is what basically a remote patient monitoring system is. And if you want to have a discussion related to remote patient monitoring system, you can just let us know, shoot us a message on LinkedIn or somewhere else, and we'll be sure to have a discussion on this. Thank you very much. Bye bye.